What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today we are going to do a video tutorial on how to create Python programs in Microsoft Visual Studio. So this time we're going to create Python programs or applications. And this time it doesn't really take that long to do it. It's pretty easy. So let's get started. So as always, we're going to go to File, New, Project, and then right here select Python Application and click OK. And first we're going to type print parentheses, quotation marks, hello Visual Studio. Press enter and then type import space sys. Press enter again and then type from math import cos, radians, press enter and then type for I in range parentheses 360 colon and then press enter again, and this time there will be it will automatically press tab for you, so therefore you do not have to press tab because it pretty much recognizes it. So we're going to type print parentheses cos and then another set of parentheses radians and then we're going to do another set of parentheses and type I, and then there, and then you're done. So now we're going to go up to debug and then we're going to click start without debugging, and then there it is, your Python program. Press any key to continue, so we're going to do that, and then there you go. Alright, so that's how you simply create Python programs in Microsoft Visual Studio. So if this video was helpful, then you can like it, comment on it, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech videos. So until next time, this is Every Tech Time. Goodbye.